Konnichiwa, YouTube. I'm Yusuke. Today, I'm gonna show how to cook rice with using pot. I think some people doesn't have rice cooker, so I'm gonna make it without using rice cooker. Let's start cooking. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Rice. When we measure rice, we use these kinds of cup. It's 180 milliliter cup, and we call one go for each 180 milliliters. And water. We use 200 milliliters of water when we cook rice in a pot for every one go. So I prepared 2 go of rice. So I'm gonna use 400 milliliter of water. First, I have to wash the rice. If you have strainer like this, it will be very easier to wash it, so please use it if you have it. Add water and wash it. And throw away this water. And repeat this for 3 times. And after finish washing it, add this measured water. It's a 400 milliliter. And leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I think you can see the rice change it to a little bit more white color. Put all the rice and the water into a pot. And put the top and turn heat to medium and wait until start boiling. When it starts boiling, turn down heat to low and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat, but do not open the top yet. Leave for another 10 minutes. Finally, after waiting for 10 minutes, open the top and mix it a little bit. Now it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please press good button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If there's any kind of recipe you want to know, please write it down in the comment. See you on the next video. ありがとうございました。